Hello and welcome to day 28 of our Python course. Today we will be working on a practical mini project where we will create a file parsing tool using Python. This tool will help us read, process and extract useful information from files. Let's get started. First, let's understand the objective of the project. The goal is to create a tool that reads a file, processes its content, and extracts useful information based on specific patterns using regular expressions. We will work with file handling and regular expressions, two key concepts in Python that you will need for this task. To begin with, we need to set up our project. We will create a folder for the project and include two main files. Input.txt, this will contain some sample data, file underscore parser.py, the Python script that will handle the file processing logic. For the input file, you can include data like emails, dates, or phone numbers, anything you want to extract. Next, let's look at how we will read and write files. In Python, we can use the open function to read from a file. Here's an example. With open input.txt, r as file, content equals to file.read. This reads the entire content of the file. Once we have processed the data, we can write the results to an output file like this. With open output.txt, write as file.write parsed results. This will allow us to capture and save the parsed data. Now let's dive into regular expressions or regex, a powerful tool for matching patterns in text. In our tool, we will use regex to extract specific data such as email addresses. For example, we can use this pattern to match email addresses. By using the re.findAll method, we can extract all email addresses from the file content. Once we have extracted the relevant data using regex, we need to display or save the results. We can look through the extracted emails and write them to the output file like this. With open output.txt, write as files, file.write extracted emails. Then loop through and write each email to the file. Alternatively, we can print the results directly to the console. Both methods will help us verify the data we have extracted. There are a few enhancements we can make to this tool to improve its functionality. We can allow the user to input the file and specify which type of data they want to extract, like emails, dates, or phone numbers. We can also add support for multiple file types like CSV or JSON and parse them accordingly. Lastly, we can modularize the code, breaking it down into functions for reading files, applying regex, and writing results. This will make the code more organized and reusable. Here's an example of what our input and output files might look like. If you have an input file with text like below, after running our parsing tool, the output file will list the extracted emails, that is john.doe@example.com, jane.doe@example.net. To wrap up, this mini project has helped us learn how to work with file handling in Python and use regular expressions to extract specific data from text. We also saw how to output the results and make enhancements to improve functionality. This is a great hands-on exercise for reinforcing your Python skills.